Is it working?
I don't know, is it? This is the GoPro 12 built-in microphone, just the GoPro. GoPro 12 test.
Yeah. GoPro 12 test.
GoPro 12 test.
GoPro 12 test.
This is the GoPro with the media mod, just the media mod.
Yep, so we're testing it. I'm behind the camera. Looks like it's picking me up.
Like what?
Anything.
Anything.
Okay.
GoPro, just the media mod outside. This is the GoPro 12 with the
Media mod.
with the Rode Wireless Pro microphones outside.
Is it working?
I don't know, is it?
That's a good question. I guess we'll find out. You gotta say something to test it though.
Like what?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
How you like those flowers? Those are nice flowers out there. Here, let's see where the flowers. So we're all the way out here at the garden. And what is that? How far would you say that is? We're away from the camera.
10 feet?
10 feet?
I don't know.
Well, this is a foot. Is it only 10 of those? Look, push it off, see how far away we are from the camera. So
Okay.
that's about 3 feet apace, right? So 15, 20, so about 60 feet. I'm at the camera and you're 60 feet away.
Yeah.